Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. On today we're playing Fix It Jesus, and that's by Harvey Watkins. Guys, this is in the key of C. This is old school quartet. And guys, this was recommended by, I don't even want to try to pronounce it, I'm going to say K. K, thank you so much for giving us a good song to work on today. And guys, before we start, I got to show you what I'm working with. Bam, I got my Canada Dry. Yeah, that's what we're working with. Let me try to, let me get into this and see what it tastes like real quick. Give me 1 second. Strong. I like it. Guys, I want you to go to your favorite refrigerator, open it up. I want you to look inside, grab your favorite beverage, head on back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with me, your favorite instructor, AK, on today. Guys, before we start, I would love for you to hit that like, because when you hit that like, it brings more people to our channel. Bam, I see you just hit it. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And we're in the key of C. Let's start. That is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have Harvey Watkins in the numerical cave. He have decided to come through with his entourage, and they're in the back warming up. And we're out here getting ready. Let's crack our hands, crack our knuckles, stretch them out. There we go. Guys, let's receive Harvey Watkins.
Like you said, you know what? I have to cry sometimes. I have to cry sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes singing with tears in my eyes. I'm waiting on you. Just one more thing I want to say, y'all. You know what? I get mistreated sometimes. Mistreated sometimes. I get mistreated sometimes. I'm counting on Jesus. That's all I need. Y'all clap your hands for me. What I tell you. Fix it, Jesus. Fix it, Jesus. I want you to do it for me. I know you're able.
Let's give it up for Harvey Watkins Jr. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with this right here. Let me give you that. So we're on the 1, and we're playing this C dominant 7 chord. So we hit that twice. 1, 2, and then we go to our F dominant 7 chord, and that's on the 4. Hit that twice. And we're gonna hit it one more time, and then we're going to our 5 bass, and we're playing this D minor 7 chord, and then we're going to our 1. And that's a regular C chord. All right. So we starting out with On My Way Home. give you that, just that little part. So we're on the 1, and then we're playing 5 to the 6. When we get to that 6, we're gonna play this nice little D minor chord, and then we're going back to the 1, and that will sound like this in context. They got this cool walk up they're doing. They're on a 3 flat, going to the 3, going to the 4. And those chords are E flat dominant 7 chord on the 3 flat, E dominant 7 chord on the 3, F dominant 7 on the 4. And then they're going back and forth from the 4 to the 1, 4 to the 1, okay? Then they're walking up back to your C chord on the 1. So that walk up is going 6, 7 flat, 7, back to the 1. They're doing a cool turnaround right here. All right, so all together, let me just do what we just did. Next part. Let me give you that. We're on our C chord. We're on the 1, going to our 5. Then we're going to our 6. On that 6, we're playing this D minor chord. Back to our 1, playing our regular C chord. Then we're going up to the 2, 3. On that 3, we're playing this D diminished 7 chord. We're going up to our 6 flat, and then we're going to our 6. And we're playing this regular A minor chord in the right hand. That walk up is 6, 7 flat, 7, 1. So we're on the 3, we're playing the regular C chord, going to our 4, F major chord, going to our 5, we're playing an F major chord on the 5, and back to our 1, playing a C chord. You can always do that turnaround, what we did earlier. All right, the end of the song. Very nice little bounce they're doing. All we're doing is playing a regular C chord in our right hand. In our left hand, we're just playing 1, 5, 6, 5, 6. Then we're going to our 4. On the 4, we're playing this nice little F major chord. And then we're going 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we just repeat. Nice, very nice, easy song. Now there's a couple of things that we can do in this song to kind of make it a little better. You know, like in the very beginning of the song when they went, on my way home. That little part right there, that's a cool little thing to add. So when you're on that 1, you can go, what is that? That's a D minor chord. Going to a C minor chord, going back to a D minor chord, and right back on the C minor chord. So in context, it's like, very cool thing to add. Just got to work that dexterity up just to get those chords. And guys, I'm going to call that a lesson on today. Good job. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is a taste of your own medicine. My daughter has a desire to play the piano. She has a love for music that would help her figure out anything she wanted to know about it. Because she takes pride in learning music on her own, it makes me feel some type of way. No, I mean really. Here I am, a piano teacher, yet my daughter rarely asks for my help when it comes down to music. I asked her one day, "Do you need help with that particular song?" She said, "No, Daddy, I got it." And plus, you just show off, and it's just too much at times. I said, "Wow, I didn't realize I was showing off." I learned that everything isn't about you. Sometimes what is good to you could be intimidating to someone else. As a matter of fact, when I was her age, I practiced by myself and honed my skills in the dark with my headphones. So I can't despise her process. She's a chip off the old block, and when she's ready, I'll be there. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for being a part of this awesome community. Did I tell you guys I like this community? No, I love this community. Thank you all for sharing. And thank you for coming down and sitting over here with me, learning how to play the keyboard. Guys, we have a Facebook page. I would love for you to go and check that Facebook page out. It's me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. And I hope you do as well. That's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. And we have a bell. I would love for you to hit the bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And also we have a subscribe button. You know, some people say it takes like 5 days to hit it. I don't know. Some people say it takes like 3 days. Some people say it takes 1 second. I don't know. We're going to try 3 seconds, okay? 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the bell and you just hit the subscribe. I really appreciate it. Guys, last but not least, this is Numerical Melodies. You are not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.